Welcome to InFaith. Today we'll walk you through how to set up your coaching offering on the InFaith app. Once you are verified, tap on the Coaching tab in the bottom left. Then, select the Admin tab in the upper right corner. This is where you'll set up and manage all your coaching services. Now click on the Add Offering button. You'll be prompted to fill in your coaching details. Start by giving your offer a title that reflects your service. In the description box, explain what your coaching session covers. Be specific. Let potential clients know the value they'll get from your coaching. Next, set your price. You also have the flexibility to offer sessions for free or on a donation basis to reach more clients. Then, set your availability by selecting the days and times you're open for bookings. This ensures clients can easily find and book a time that works for both of you. Once everything is filled in, simply hit Save. Now let's add your coach title, and here you can select up to 10 specialties that best describe your area of focus. Here you can preview your coaching profile and offering. Once you've finished revising, click on Activate Your Coaching Services. This will transition you to the terms and conditions. Make sure you read and get familiar with the terms. And congratulations! Your coaching offer is now live on the InFaith app and ready for people to book. Now you can share your personal coaching page, connect with more clients, and offer coaching to those who want to learn more about your guidance and support. Keep an eye on your bookings and stay connected with your community. Happy coaching!